Imagine yourself in this Acura 2019 MDX 3.5L technology package. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, audio memory, CD player, premium audio system, Acura ELS surround, radio data system, radio, Acura ELS studio premium audio system and air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.